Gates open. They're up and racing. Matter of Honor draws for your lead. Bull Rack moving a party outside by the rail. Royal Fair. King's Dominion sneaking in down on the inside, followed by Shades of Red. Head Honcho. Then comes Anopos, followed by entry number 6. Dugo. Anak Papato. Then on the outside, Domek. Interceptor. Moving a party outside Ocean Deep, followed by Speedy Kim and Devil Racing is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 900. Bull Rack in command by about 2 lengths. Matter of Honor is in second, down in third. Royal Fair, Dugo, Anak Papato running in fourth. Head Honcho. Then comes Anopos together with Domek by the real Shades of Red. Then comes Ocean Deep, followed by King's Dominion. Then comes Interceptor. Second last is Speedy Kim, and trading the group is entry number 11, Devil Racing, past the last 600. It's still Bull Rack leading the field, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Matter of Honor remains in second, down in third. Royal Fair, Shades of Red, Dugo, Anak Papato. Interceptor closing in as they turn for home. Bull Rack is still leading the field. Matter of Honor moving up to take second. Royal Fair, then on the outside is Interceptor, Shades of Red with the last 150 more to run. Bull Rack still leading the field. Royal Fair, Shades of Red, Interceptor is on the outside. Bull Rack, Royal Fair, Shades of Red, Interceptor is on the outside. And in the finish line, it's going to be close finish between Interceptor and Shades of Red. Then comes number 12, Bull Rack, Royal Fair, Ocean Deep, Devil Racing, number 10, Speedy Kim, Matter of Honor, King's Dominion, Anopos, Domek, Dugo, Anak Papato, and Head Honcho.